Die Cutting Essentials. This is issue 54 from our friends at Practical Publishing across the pond. We just received it, and you're going to have so much fun with this. There is a cutting die, and it's in the shape of puzzle pieces. So you get this 4-inch square die, but not only the puzzle pieces, you get different embellishments to use with that cutting die. And there's some ideas. Now, years and years ago, we had a punch that created a puzzle piece, and it was really popular. So this is so much easier and so much more versatile. On the back of this, you're going to see some ways to use it. And what I love is that folks at Practical Publishing do such a good job in showing you ways to use that bonus product that comes with the magazine. Now, here is some hints and tips for die cutting it. And as I said, you can take those pieces out and use them individually. Then we also have Pieces Step by Step is the title of this chapter. And just very fun. So use them this way. Obviously, you can put paper onto maybe cardstock and then die cut it and then send it as a piece and let people put it together to create your message, or you can glue it just to the front of a card, whatever you like. I thought this was really cute. I miss you. How really, really sweet. And you get that little flower and you get that little heart. So that works nicely. Sending hugs and kisses for a fabulous friend is another one. Let me go down here. How fun is this? So just using pieces to make a border, just so many ideas. Kind of a quilt one right there. Very, very clever. And I really like exploring that one piece that you get. Oh, I have this here because very often you'll see some advertisements. This happens to be Heartfelt Creations. And yes, Paper Wishes, we're carrying all of her poinsettias and the molding piece, as well as the stamps and the die cuts. Look at this. How fun to take those into another step. And let me show you. This is also something else I wanted to share. These happen to be cutting dies from Hunky Dory. And yes, you'll find them in our online at paperwishes.com. So we've got some projects using that. Really nice to see. And then we have some other ideas. So taking a frame and what else you can do with it. And I think that's just really, really nice to see and to give you other ideas. So this is the Die Cutting Essentials 54 with a very, very versatile and very fun puzzle cutting die. And they are exclusively here at paperwishes.com.